Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here on Sherri'sDivine Styles. In this video you will be coming along with me as I clean up my bathrooms upstairs, my half bathroom and my master bedroom. As you can see, oh my goodness, I can't even believe I did this to myself. So this will be a motivational clean with me video. So any rooms you need to clean, come along and clean them with me. Okay, so with cleaning the restrooms upstairs, I always start with the kids' restroom. It's the easiest and it doesn't take that long to clean. With cleaning my kids' restroom, I have to wipe down everything, and that includes the walls and the doors. If you have kids, then you know they leave greasy handprints on everything. So the walls and the doors have to be wiped down. Also, I have to clean the entire mirror. My kids are toddlers. They're not that tall, but there is always water and toothpaste up to the light fixture. Comment down below if you have to do the same thing when you clean your kids' restroom. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, I'm Sherry. Make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. If you're an oldie, welcome back. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment down below. So you guys, I purchased this tub scrubbing brush from Amazon, and this is the best thing I could have ever done for my back. If you have one of these, then you know this helps clean the tub and speeds up the process so much quicker. This is our half bathroom. It's located on the first floor in our house. You probably saw it if you saw the decorate with me for fall, but what I did not mention in that video is that I renovated this room. Yes, me. I put down the tile. I repainted the walls, which need another touch of paint. I redid the fixtures, the mirror, replaced the faucet. I did everything. So being handy is what I really love doing. Yes, a clean bathroom and bedroom is so satisfying, and it brings less stress to my life. Hopefully this motivated you as well. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that your notification bells are turned on. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. So make sure you are following me on my social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.